Starting a duck farm can be an exciting and rewarding venture, whether you're looking to produce eggs, meat, or simply enjoy these fascinating birds as part of a sustainable farm. However, like any agricultural endeavor, duck farming comes with its own set of challenges. Even experienced farmers can stumble if they overlook key details. In this video, we'll guide you through the 10 most common duck farming mistakes and show you how to avoid them. If you're serious about running a successful and profitable duck farm, stay tuned. These tips from SMART-AGRI Hub could make all the difference. Mistake number 1, choosing the wrong breed for your purpose. Ducks come in many breeds, and each has its own unique characteristics. Some breeds, like the Khaki Campbell or Indian Runner, are excellent egg layers. Others, like the Pekin or Muscovy, are raised mainly for meat. Before you purchase your first flock, research the breeds carefully. Consider your climate, your market demand, and your farm's resources. Selecting the wrong breed can lead to poor production, unhealthy ducks, and unnecessary frustration. Always match your breed to your farming goals. Mistake number 2, poor housing and shelter design. Ducks are hardy animals, but they still need protection from extreme weather, predators, and disease. Many new farmers underestimate the importance of proper housing. Ducks need well-ventilated, dry, and predator-proof shelters. Wet or overcrowded conditions can lead to disease outbreaks and stress among the flock. When building your duck house, make sure there's enough space, ideally 4 to 6 square feet per duck, good airflow, and easy access to clean bedding. Don't forget to secure your enclosure to keep out foxes, raccoons, and other predators. Mistake number 3, neglecting water management. Unlike chickens, ducks need access to water not only for drinking, but also for cleaning themselves and aiding digestion. However, too much water or poorly managed water sources can create a muddy, unsanitary mess. This can lead to foot problems and increase the risk of disease. Provide your ducks with clean water in shallow containers they can dip their heads into, and if possible, a small pond or kiddie pool for swimming. Change the water frequently and manage drainage to keep the area dry and healthy. Mistake number 4, overlooking biosecurity and disease prevention. Ducks are generally robust, but they're not immune to disease. Many farmers make the mistake of introducing new birds to their flock without proper quarantine or fail to maintain strict hygiene on the farm. Always isolate new ducks for at least 2 weeks, monitor them for signs of illness, and disinfect equipment regularly. Limit visitors to your duck area and control rodents and wild birds that can carry diseases. Regularly check your ducks for symptoms such as lethargy, nasal discharge, or unusual droppings, and consult a veterinarian if needed. Mistake number 5, inadequate nutrition and unbalanced feeding. Ducks have specific dietary needs at various stages of their lives. Some farmers assume that feeding ducks the same as chickens is sufficient, but ducks require more niacin and different protein levels. Avoid feeding them only scraps or generic poultry feed. Instead, provide a well-formulated duck feed appropriate for their age and purpose, with access to greens and insects when possible. Always ensure a steady supply of clean, fresh water alongside their feed to aid in proper digestion. Mistake number 6, overcrowding your flock. It can be tempting to maximize your flock size to increase production, but overcrowding leads to stress, aggression, and a higher risk of disease. Ducks need room to roam, forage, and swim. When confined to cramped quarters, their natural behaviors are suppressed and their health declines. Stick to recommended stocking densities, provide ample space both indoors and outdoors, and monitor your flock for signs of stress. Healthy, happy ducks are far more productive in the long run. Mistake number 7, forgetting about predator control. Ducks are vulnerable to a wide range of predators, from foxes and raccoons to hawks and domestic dogs. Many beginner farmers underestimate the cunning and persistence of these predators. Never assume your ducks are safe just because you're nearby or because you haven't seen predators before. Invest in sturdy fencing, lock up your ducks at night, and consider using motion-activated lights or alarms. Regularly inspect your enclosures for holes or weak spots and repair them immediately. Mistake number 8, failing to plan for waste management. Ducks produce a significant amount of manure, which, if not managed properly, can lead to environmental issues and health problems for your flock. Some farmers neglect to clean bedding regularly or dispose of waste responsibly. Set up a regular cleaning schedule, compost manure for use in your garden, and ensure proper drainage around your duck housing. This keeps your ducks healthy and helps you make the most of their natural fertilizer. Mistake number 9, not monitoring egg production or fertility. For those raising ducks for eggs or breeding, it's important to track production and fertility rates. Ignoring changes in egg production can mean missing early signs of illness, nutritional deficiencies, or environmental problems. Keep records of how many eggs your flock produces, their size and shell quality, and any changes in laying patterns. For breeding, regularly check fertility rates and hatchability. Address any issues promptly to keep your operation running smoothly. Mistake number 10, underestimating the value of education and community. Many new duck farmers try to go it alone, relying solely on internet searches or outdated information. Farming is complex, and there's always something new to learn. Join local or online farming groups, attend workshops, and read up-to-date resources from reliable sources. Don't be afraid to ask questions or seek help from more experienced farmers. By learning from others, you'll avoid costly mistakes and become part of a supportive community. Avoiding these 10 common mistakes can set your duck farm on the path to success. Remember, every farm is unique, and challenges will arise. Stay observant, keep learning, and adjust your practices as needed. Smart, well-informed management is the key to healthy, productive ducks and a thriving farm. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more smart farming advice from SMART-AGRI Hub. Happy duck farming!